Yeah, Ian's FJ, Peter built the motor probably going back 6 months or so now, so it's in for its first service, tappet adjustment, check the SUs. Yeah, just go right over it, make sure everything's good, and happy to keep going for another 50 plus years. The FJ is just basically a mild build engine, mild camshaft. There's the standard kind of things that you need to do to wake them up a little bit, get them going a bit better, longevity, you know, late model bearings, all that kind of stuff. Very cool car, blue fleck paint job, engine bay's blue, you know, everything's done nice. These old motors don't have an oil filter, so you've got to stay on top of them with the servicing and the oil changes. Yeah, it's got the original dealer sticker on the back, so he's kept that with even doing the custom paint job and the engine work, so it's a pretty cool car, nice interior, very, very good cruiser.